everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ayanitemi. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to use your buttonhole foot on your tabletop machine. If this is your first time on this channel, thank you so much for stopping by. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share to friends. And if this is what you're interested in, let me keep on watching. Let's go. If you have a tabletop machine but you're still paying someone else to make buttonholes for your clothes, then this video is for you. Let me show you how to do it yourself step by step. Here is the buttonhole foot, and this foot has all of these lines, and these lines indicate how big or how small you want your buttonhole to be. It helps you as a guide to sew the right size of your buttonhole. So the first thing to do is to fix in your buttonhole foot, then insert your clothes and set the foot to the size of the buttonhole you want to make. And then the next thing to do is to take your stitch to stitch number 2, which is the starting line, that upper tacky part of your buttonhole, and allow it to go like 4 to 5 times. Then take it to stitch number 1 and sew downward. Next thing to do is to change it to stitch number 2 of your buttonhole stitch. Then allow it to go to like 4 to 3 times too, and change it to stitch number 3, which will take you upward to your starting line. We are going to do another one. Can we see it? Here is the first one. We are going to do another one. So you can say, here I try to set my buttonhole foot to a bigger size of buttonhole. Then the first thing to do is to change your stitch to stitch number 2, which will sew that tacky part. Then take it to stitch number 1, which will take you downward. That stopper is going to stop you when you get to the stopping line. Then take it back to stitch number 2. Then the next thing to do is to change it to stitch number 3, which will take you upward. I don't know if you understand. It will take you all upward and stop at your starting line. Can we see it? You have the small one, the smallest one, the medium. Then we are still going to try the bigger size. So yeah, we are going to do the bigger size of the button. Just set it in that buttonhole foot. Take it to stitch number 2, which will be the starting line. Then the next thing to do is to take it to stitch number 1, which will take you downward. It will take you downward just exactly like this. Then the next thing to do is to take it to stitch number 2 again, which will sew that tacky down part. Then take it to your stitch number 3, which will take you upward to your starting line. Can we see it? Can we see it? So here is it. Then trim out your thread. Trim out your thread. Can we see it? Then take your seam ripper and rip off your buttonhole. Please be careful with it though. Don't cut it too much. You can use your scissors, you can use your blade, you can use seam ripper just to open that place up. Can you see it? So here is the final look of our beautiful buttonhole. So you don't have to leave this machine in your working place without using it and still be taking your clothes to people to help you to fix your buttonhole. It's something you can do by yourself. And if you know that this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, follow, and share to your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.